Welcome back to Worthington Model Railway, and I'm up in the train loft again today. I was sorting through some stuff and I found this, so let's get it installed. So it's one of those things I hadn't really lost. And I kind of knew I had it, I hadn't forgotten about it, I just have never got around to putting it in place. So let's take a look at it. It's the Dapol operating water tower, which is motorized and has sound effects and all this fun stuff. So let's see what we can do with it. Looking in the box, we have some instructions, which I will read before I start, because I want to make sure I'm doing this right. The tower is kind of a complete unit, complete with wires and other things. It even comes with its own switch, which is kind of nice. So let's think about where we're going to put it. Thinking maybe here at the end of the station where I do have a water tower, but we'll put that one somewhere else, and we'll put it right in here at the end of the station there. That probably will work pretty well. Of course, the only negative thing about putting it here is the fact that I have that foam board underneath there that we ran into a problem with the lights before, if you remember. But I think just going straight through, I can go through this, through the foam board, and we'll be able to get the wires down without any problem. So I connected this up to a 9-volt battery because I want to see which way the arm swings. I'm pretty sure, if I remember rightly, it's going to go that way. But let's connect it and try it. Yeah, there it goes. So now I know which way I needed to put it on the track. Kind of fun. They give you plenty of wire. We'll have fun feeding this through. So I'm going to need to work out exactly where I'm going to put this and kind of mark where I'm going to put a hole. Hole's going to go there. Yeah, that should work. So there we have it installed. It does need a little bit of some landscaping around it, which I will get to at some point, but here it is running. I'll push the button. And it says a long push of the button will change the behavior, so let's try it. I don't know if you can hear the messages. While I'm messing around with electrical stuff, I want to put a lamp in here. Kind of is dark in there when the lights are off. I think there would be a lamp there, so I'm going to put one. There's the light lit up on the street lights. Another jobbed.
For watching, short video. Neat little water tower. Kind of another little fun thing. You can push a button and see something happen on the layout. I'll be back with more soon, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button to the top right, and there'll be another video to the top left.